If you're watching this video, chances are your parent has recently passed away. First, please know how deeply sorry I am for your loss. Losing a parent is one of life's most challenging experiences, and the last thing you need right now is additional confusion and stress. You might feel some relief knowing your parent prepared a will. After all, they probably thought carefully about protecting their legacy. But here's the hard truth. In California, a will alone doesn't automatically make things easier. In fact, it often leads your family straight into a difficult legal maze known as probate court. This video isn't meant to scare you. It's meant to clearly explain what probate really means for you right now. We'll talk honestly about how it affects you financially, emotionally, and practically. And I'll guide you toward concrete steps you can take to navigate this challenging moment. Let's clear up the biggest misconception right away. Most people assume having a will means their estate avoids probate. In reality, a will doesn't shield your family from probate. It actually directs your family into it. Think of your parents' will as instructions they left for the court, directions the judge follows through a long, detailed, and costly legal process. This process can drain time, money, and privacy, the very inheritance your parent hoped to leave you. Section 1. Understanding probate. You might wonder, what exactly is probate? Simply put, probate is a legal court process California uses to pay your parents' debts and distribute their assets. Imagine probate as a slow-moving traffic jam on the freeway. Everyone's stuck in it, it takes forever, and every minute spent there costs money and patience. Probate is mandatory for California estates valued over a certain threshold, currently about $184,500 in 2025. You might think, my parents' home isn't fully paid off. They still had a mortgage. Shouldn't that reduce the estate size? Unfortunately, probate doesn't work like that. It calculates fees based on the full market value of your parents' property, not the net value after debts. So even if there's a big mortgage, the fees are based on the total value of the home. Section 2. The true cost of probate. There are 3 things probate can significantly impact: your money, your time, and your privacy. Number 1, the family's money. Probate isn't free. In California, attorney and executor fees follow a strict formula: 4% on the first $100,000, 3% on the next $100,000, 2% on the next $800,000, 1% on the next $9 million. On a typical California home valued at $1 million, probate fees could easily reach $46,000 or more, money your parent hoped would benefit you and your family. And in court filing fees, appraisal fees, and administrative costs, and you're likely looking at over $50,000. This money isn't optional, it's required by law, coming straight from your inheritance. 2. Your family time. You might be hoping probate will be quick. Unfortunately, it's often very slow. The average probate case in California lasts 9 to 18 months, sometimes even longer. Imagine the frustration of being unable to access your parents' assets for over a year. This waiting period can be financially and emotionally exhausting. You may need to sell a property quickly, handle urgent bills, or support other family members financially. Probate delays prevent quick action at a time when you need clarity and speed. Number 3, your family's privacy. Perhaps the most overlooked aspect of probate is the loss of privacy. Probate proceedings are public record. Everything from your parents' assets, debts, property values, bank accounts, and even the exact amounts you or your siblings inherit. Probate becomes publicly available information. Sadly, this can expose your family to scams, unnecessary scrutiny, and even conflict from distant relatives or acquaintances who see the public records. It's emotionally stressful and adds pressure during an already difficult time. Section 3. A better way. Revocable living trust. If you're already facing probate due to your parents' will, it's not too late to get help to streamline this process. However, it's also important to understand better solutions for the future, like a revocable living trust. Think of a living trust as a secure container your parents could have created during their lifetime. They'd place assets like their home into this container. When they pass, the trust clearly defines exactly who receives these assets and how this process completely avoids probate. A living trust allows assets to move directly, privately, and quickly to beneficiaries without court interference. It serves your family time, money, and protects your privacy. The next steps you can take now. Even though you're now dealing with probate, here are clear steps you can immediately take to ease your burden. Find key documents quickly. Gather your parents' will, financial statements, property deeds, and records of death. Speak to a probate attorney. Experienced probate attorneys can speed up the process, reduce costs, and lessen stress. Secure property immediately. Protect your parents' property and assets promptly, updating insurance and securing valuables. Keep open communication, maintain clear dialogue with siblings and other family members to prevent misunderstandings and any tension. You don't need to navigate probate alone. Probate attorneys, real estate probate specialists, and senior home transition experts guide you step by step. They provide faster probate resolution, reduce overall expenses, protection of your family's privacy, emotional support during this difficult time. My role is to greatly guide you and make this challenging process more manageable. I help families like yours every day, making sure you're never alone during these sensitive moments. Right now, your focus should be grieving, healing, and remembering your parent, not fighting bureaucracy. If you're facing probate, please reach out. I'm here to help. Call, text, or email me. My contact information is in the description. Schedule a free consultation. I'll personally guide you through this complex process, answer your questions, and support you at every step. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. Your questions and comments below are always welcomed. You're not alone in this. Your parents' will was created with love and the best intentions, but here in California, a will can lead to unexpected complications and expenses. You deserve better. Understanding probate clearly helps you protect your family's legacy, privacy, and peace of mind. Thank you for trusting me during this difficult time. Together, we'll get through it.